If you would like to add Base to Metamask wallet, here's how to do it. So you have to make sure that you have your Metamask already installed, that's the extension, and have it appear here in your browser. And then you have to click on it. And if you've not signed in, you get to sign in, and then you have your main dashboard here. Now, at the top right corner of this dashboard, you have the three dots. You have to click on it and go to Settings. Now, when you go to Settings, you're going to look for Networks. Now, you're going to click on Networks, and then you're going to add network here. It's going to take you to another page where you get to search for Base. Now, of course, in my case, I have it right here, and that's good, right? But if you don't have it, you can go ahead and search for it, and you're going to find it. And so we have the Add button right here, and we're going to click on Add. And of course, it gives you this information, the network name, the URL, the chain ID, and the currency symbol. This is for you to verify what you're doing, and you get to approve or cancel. And since it's fine by me, we're going to approve it. And now the network has been added successfully. You can decide to switch to Base mainnet or not, but now we've added it. And so this is how to add Base mainnet to your Metamask wallet.